Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see if the Vivo Y200 is waterproof or water resistant. So the answer is yes. The Vivo Y200 is IP64 water and dust resistant. Now if you want to check the IP rating of the Vivo Y200, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. And in the search bar, just search Vivo Y200. Just open the Vivo Y200 website. Now, if you tap on quality and if you scroll down, you can see that the Vivo Y200 is rated at IP64 dust and water resistant. And this is how you can check if the Vivo Y200 is waterproof or water resistant. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.